Hello, students. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I'm doing this video with regards to our training, ongoing training. Uh, as you all know, we've started our HTML CSS training, and it's just to remind us, some of us, those of us that haven't started taking the course, please start. We observe that some of us haven't started taking the course. You've been granted access to the course, the HTML CSS course, but you haven't started taking the course. Okay, so those that haven't started, yeah, please start. Okay, we want to make sure that everybody is carried along, and if you haven't if you're having challenge, maybe you're having technical challenge or you needed our support assistance, reach out to us on the group. So we have the admin, so you can send a message in the HTML CSS group, or you reach out to any of our admin. So we have wonderful teachers out there that will assist you with your challenge, and they will be there to provide support for you. So and we should also remember that we've done a video containing the curriculum for HTML CSS course, and if you don't have access to that, if you haven't seen the video, you can just check the group, or you can ask the admin to send you a link to the group, to the video. So please, those of us that haven't started taking the course, please let's do endeavor and join others that have started taking the course. And we should remember that at the end of this the week, we have projects each week, and the best students for each week, we have a prize. There will be a reward for them. So try and make sure they are among the best students. At least up to three persons will be rewarded, those that have the best project. And of course, we will know your efforts. Okay, we'll know how you put in the effort to get the results that you have. Okay, so in case those of you that might try to, go and do copy and paste. Okay, so I will still need to understand the effort that you put in getting that result. So I wish you all the best. Those that don't have access to the course, you can reach out to the admin as well to grant you access. I wish everyone the best, and I hope at the end of this training that each and every one of us will come out better, will come out strong, and you'll be able to be building projects as well. So take good care. Wish you the best. Have a great day. Bye bye.